Hi everyone. Now it's time to practice. So we are going to work on page 4, exercise 3. Look at these dialogues. Put the verbs in parentheses into the simple past or the present perfect tense. B. In each case, explain why you choose the simple past tense or the present perfect tense. Use the rules on the previous page. And C. What tenses will you use in these dialogues in your own language? So let's have a look at number 1. So it says, Richie lived here for 3 years now. So remember that I always tell you to look for contextual clues or time phrases. Time phrases will help you identify the tense. So in this case, we have now, and that tells you that we need to use the present perfect tense. So that means that this is an action that happens in the past, but is connected to the present. Richie has lived here for 3 years now. Have a look at this one. Where lived before? Before is another time phrase that help you to identify that we need to use the present perfect tense. Where have you lived before? Have a look at this one now. He lived in Boston. Boston, we don't have time phrase, so that means that we can use the past simple tense. He lived in Boston. Number 2, you see Sue today. Today is a time phrase that is telling you that an action that happens in the past or takes place in the past is connected to the present. So we need to use present perfect tense. Have you seen Sue today? Next one. No, I have not seen her yesterday at the recreation center. So I have chosen the present perfect tense. We have a look at this one. Yesterday. Yesterday is it's a word that is telling you that the action happens in the past. And it was an action that finished yesterday. So here we don't have to use the present perfect tense. We need to change it into the past simple tense. So what's the past tense of see? So how about number 3? Would you like something to eat? No thanks. I've I had lunch earlier. I've had lunch earlier. Earlier. It's telling you that the action happens in the past, but it's connected to the present. Connected to the present. So I have had lunch earlier. How about number 4? Sue, Samantha. We don't have a time phrase, so we can use past simple. Kate. So Kate, Samantha. Why? Because send me about Sue's new boyfriend. So we don't have a time phrase that helps you identify the tense. So that means that we can use past simple tense. And the past tense of tell is told. Told because it's an irregular verb. And remember, to change regular verbs into the past tense, we need to add ed. And to change irregular verbs into the past, we need to change their spelling. So what I can say is that you need to memorize irregular verbs and practice them saying in the past tense. Alright, so now I would like you to work on exercise 4 by your own and on exercise 5, please. And that's it for today's lessons. So I hope you like it and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.